All right, my friends, for Math Journal today, you're going to need your number words cut and paste. So we're working on number words 1 through 5. Now I'm going to remember the first thing I do is always the same. Look at the top and write my name. So at the top, I'm going to write my name on my paper. And then I'm going to look. I have 1, and then I have the number word 1, and I need to trace it. So I'm going to trace it and spell it. O-N-E-1. The number word 1. Then I'm going to cut out the hands on the side. Now, friends, I'm going to pause it for a second because I must have moved my scissors somewhere else in the classroom. I will be right back. Okay, friends, I have my scissors. I'm going to cut out my hands on the side. So I'm holding my scissors the proper way and neatly cutting on the dotted lines. I'm going to cut my strip of hands out. And I'm going to look for the finger that shows 1. Which hand has 1 finger holding it held up? I found it. I'm cutting it out. I'm going to remember just a dot, not a lot. And I'm going to glue by the number 1. So I counted 1. I traced 1. I glued 1. Now I'm going to go back and with a crayon, I'm going to color in the bubbled number 1. I'm going to neatly color in. Straight line down, then you're done. That's how you make the number 1. All right, so we're going to count, trace, glue, and color. You can glue this in your math journal when you're all done. I will see you at the end of the day.